frozen stuff. Watch out, say them have all this.
I know popsicle. They know popsicle.
How so much things them selling here? We have 5 buckle of soda. And we have syrup. So them have all true milk here.
Okay.
1.575 for it.
I don't like the juice.
Alright, come, let's go. Yeah? Yeah, but where you can get that? Oh, yeah. Them kind of expensive in here. But are they, when you add all the tax, if you did go in a supermarket and you... Yeah. Yeah. If you did go in at the supermarket and it add the tax, you probably would have.
But be realistic, Auntie. One of them Minute Maid in the supermarket is like 130.
Yeah.
Like 150.
Oh.
Zamir.
Alright, come. There's a tool. Oh, hold on. Shelves are empty. Yes, baby. I don't know. I guess we can make sliders. We can't get no burger. What do you call it? Burger patties. So we can use the mince in the fridge.
That's so.
Brother, push your brother. Hi.
Mom, where do we go? This
She's
way?
coming with the egg.
Mommy, this way or this way? You know that egg I give to you.
He say, old man shaky, man. She would comes, the old man being shaky.
What you want? Alright, can get a cheese patty, a cocoa bread, and the small fries.
And
That's
a bottle
one thing.
soda.
And a bottle soda.
So cheese, patty, cocoa bread, small fries, and a soda.
Yeah, that's one bill. It's in the last patty, as you don't know. Give me your bag. Some. That is. Oh. Alright, so we're just putting some juice in the freezer. We'll have water in the freezer already. Putting these in the freezer so they can chill, because we're for sure gonna lose some light. Alright, 1x. You good for everything else?
Everything else was in there.
Alright, so we got these portable small fans, because you know we're going to do store, right?
$1,200 for one.
$1,200
So that's supposed to be like
in the Chinese man shop.
Take out the charger, Auntie.
Charger is in here.
Yeah.
And come to think of it, come like we should buy 3.
So you want to eat, Bobby?
One for each of us. Boys and can use one. Oh, say it. Come on. Alright, so this is how it looks. And it
Has 2 modes.
it also has light, so yeah.
It has high and low.
Hold on. This is low. That's high. Yeah. How it feel? Yeah, man, it's a powerful little fan. It's cute. So that's it. Okay, so fill up the machine with some water as well. Machine really need a little deep clean, but stops after the storm. So this is just extra water to probably bathe with or the dishes or whatever. Yeah. Alright, so we're filling up these buckets with some water too. Can never have enough water. So this is really for like bathing. Probably can use it to brush teeth, wash face, that type of thing. We'll have water outside, 2 drums outside with water. One is for flushing the toilet and one is to bathe with and to cook. Rain a come, people, watch it. Oh, sure. The rain a come. That's what Jay was able to do. Hopefully it hold and it hopefully dry, because the rain a drizzle right now. But if not, the alternative is to just put some oil cloth on the inside to where the leaking happens. But yeah. Mighty God. Me see them. Me see when you were taking them up. Oh. Mint where? Me no know mint tree. It smell like mint? Then they have mint in my yard and I never know.
Best mint
tree.
But see, the white flowers, I mean, so I'm saying it good now, so just find out from mom. Sure, the one over here, so I think she probably they plant some over here, so to see them. Let me say look like mint. Yeah.
Mint, yeah. But look like them spread. Alright guys, so it is Sunday, October 26th, and this is what the weather is looking like. We have slight drizzle right now, some winds, but this is what we are experiencing so far in St. Catherine. We are projected to get some heavy rainfall later this evening into the night. Melissa is currently a category 4 hurricane. By tomorrow she should be a category 5 hurricane. It is, honestly guys, it is so overwhelming, like mentally daunting. Squeeze our eyes. Alright, it can turn to the side, so we just have to hold it. Alright. I'm videoing you. Eh? What are you supposed to be? You don't know? You have plastic on your head, plastic on your foot, and hat on the plastic.
And ride my bike.
Okay.
I have no plastic with my hands.
So the teeth finally came on. Let me see. Hold on. Take your time, because I'm going to remember today I'm putting them up in your box, in your baby box. So that's what it's looking like. Yay! Wash the blood off of it.
That look disgusting.
Food fair, we're going to have to come and give you money, man.
I bet not.
But there's a storm coming. Tooth fairies don't travel in stuff. But you don't even believe in the tooth fairies, Zach.
Mommy, the time where I believed that two fairies were fake was when, I think it was when I was at Daddy's house. And I wake up and listen to them to turn around. And guess what? I look back at my seat.
I think it was when I was pregnant with Zamir. I think it was the same day when I went in to have Zamir. Because I think you lost your tooth the same day. Pick up that off for the... Who took the wash out of my room?
Not me.
So who? It grow foot and walk out of my room?
As far as I go on it with his two. With his two. What's playing with it?
Who took the watch out of my room? Be honest.
I am going to be honest now. It was you. I found the watch on the ground in your room when you're outside. I put it back, and next thing Mrs. Zaina and I'm never surprised. That's even me. Where's my baby box, Mama? Where's my baby box?
Things that we have DPH, I think it's 2. One is the expectorant cough. That's the elixir. We have children Panadol. Seriously?
Sorry.
We have Brohex, which is a cough syrup, and this is Arios, and then this, I think this is Arios, and I think this is for allergies. So we're good. We're covered. It's sponsored. What's this you're watching?
Balls.
Oddballs?
Yes.
But they don't even talk, Zami. They don't say anything. They just make weird sounds.
Because they're hot balls.
Oh, they're odd. Okay. You well, bossy? Everybody took a bath. I just had a bath before I gave Zami his tea. And look how me I sweat. The place is hot. Hot, 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 hot. When me say outside, no breeze now blow. It's still, it's calm. But you know them say the calm before the storm, right? So I'm gonna end the vlog here for tonight. You guys were able to see how, you know, we were putting in some preparations for the hurricane. Hopefully, praying to God that we prepared adequately. This is my second hurricane as an adult. I hope everyone is staying safe. Prepare as best as you can, and we'll talk again soon. Keep safe, everyone. Thank you guys for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Say bye, Zambam.
2 boys, 1 queen, we thrive. Welcome to double dose of life. Oh.